years to come.
Happiest time of my life is when I was broke. All in.
Something's off.
Tragedy can shake us at our core, and it can also unite us in our shared grief.
Something really weird has been going on ever since Mexico.
Oh, come on.
Everything leading up to this point has happened for a reason.
You are the lucky ones!
Half the people in this photo are now dead.
What I don't understand is, why are people dying?
Numerology, Kabbalah, Pythagorean cults, there are systems that find meaning in numbers.
I watched 81 people burn to death in a crash yesterday when she said it would happen.
I'm seeing things.
I'm okay with strangers dying if it means I get to live.
Whatever you do, find you.
It's not over. It will never end, not as long as we're alive.
Evil has a way of looking really nice and shiny on the outside when it has to.
Oh my God, it's him.
Wait, he's alive?